here I am, this guy talking about all these big dreams and ideas and whatever, right? Who is Vick? Well, I don't want to be a stranger to you, so let me tell you quickly, mercifully quickly, about who am I in case we never met. This is my family. I've got 7 kiddos, a wife. I'm a family man, founder of 4% and eStage technology company. I've been serving internet marketing community since 2005. I am the creator of some of the highest converting marketing systems of all time. My world record in network marketing. Anybody tried network marketing? I think it still holds true today. I still that record is still standing. World record for the most first month commission earned in network marketing industry. It was over $720,000 in the first 28 days. Guess what? This was 2013, and components of what I'm going to show you today started back in 2013. So this has been really in the making for over a decade now, okay? Today, I often generate as much as $100,000 to $400,000 per day doing what I'm about to teach you. And I know talk is cheap, so here's a couple of screenshots for those of you guys who want to see the whole total proof, right? It's crazy. Life is really good now. But I can tell you this, best part is every day, ladies and gentlemen, I get to inspire people to rise above average, become great, and create the life they have always dreamed about. I don't know what your dreams are, but I think if you have big dreams, big desires, I get to help people like you do that. I love God, I love my family, and I love people. Now, that's today. Here's how today came to be. Right in 2005, I discovered internet marketing, and like a lot of you, I caught the success and freedom idea. I had no money. I borrowed $30,000 and joined a direct selling company. I was an affiliate of that company. I was scared, naive, and super excited. Did not know what to do. I had no name, no list, no followers, no office, no clue what I was doing, where to start, nothing. And my goal was to make $5,000 a month. Okay, my first 2 months, I was complete newbie. I invested over $20,000, made exactly zero. And I don't know about you, but I got to the point where I had to make a hard decision. And this is just my story. This is how I started. I had to make a hard decision. Do I go back to find a job, or do I pursue my dream? And the next 8 months, since that time, my wife and I would barely survive, failed miserably, but I continued to nurture my dream. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to encourage you, whatever you're going through, don't give up on your dream. That's just my advice. You can listen to it or not, it's up to you. My lowest point of my life, I can tell you this, financially at least, was I woke up one day and I did not have $1.19 to buy a loaf of bread to feed my family that day. It crushed me as a man. Anybody know what I'm talking about? Anybody can relate? I don't know your story, I don't know your situation. This was how I started in the industry. But I can tell you this, if one leader can change a nation, right? One mentor can change a life. And for me, that was this guy right here, Dan Kennedy. And he said one thing that forever changed my life. And it stuck to me up until this day. And everything we do, I always remind my students of this one thing. He said, don't ever be just another fill in the blank. For me, I was in affiliate marketing. So he said, don't ever be just another fill in the blank. I'm like, don't ever be just another affiliate marketer. Dude, I'm an affiliate marketer. I'm the way I'm running my business was I was just another affiliate marketer. Does that make sense? Can anybody see themselves being just another affiliate marketer, just another coach, just another, plumber, just another fill in the blank, right? Watch this. I was trying to build my affiliate marketing business, and I wanted to build this, metaphorically speaking, but I was following the blueprint for that, for a check. And the crazy part, ladies and gentlemen, is I did not even know it. A lot of people follow blind. It's like blind leading the blind, right? A lot of people follow directions, they buy things, and they don't even know that the blueprint they're following is going to give them this instead of that. Does that make sense? Now, the decision to take a leap of faith and go for it, myself, completely changed the rest of my family's life. Here's what happened next. I started to follow a different set of blueprints, okay? And I was promoting ClickBank products. Anybody familiar with ClickBank? A lot of people talk about ClickBank right now. There's a lot of affiliate coaches right now will tell you to go to ClickBank. I can tell you this, today, ClickBank Marketplace is not anywhere near as good as it used to be in 2010, 2009, 2011 days. So I started to promote ClickBank products, and my income went through the roof. It shot. Look at this, 23,000 a week. This was back in, well, this particular screenshot I took back in 2012. Okay, this is when I started to implement different set of blueprints. $3,000, $6,000 per day promoting ClickBank products. I started to promote direct sales companies, joined a company called Power Network. A lot of you guys might have heard about that company. They're no longer around, but I was a representative and independent affiliate. And following components of this system I'm about to walk you through today. It was not anywhere as perfect as it is today. Okay. Second quarter here of 2013, $750,000 commission run. This is money in the bank, right? I'm not showing this for you to brag. I'm showing this for you to prove a point and to inspire you, hopefully. $921,000. This is for the first quarter of 2023. You can see that, right? Pretty crazy. $2.8 million just an affiliate. My head began to spin. I'm like, dude, this guy, from the Ukraine originally, that did not know anything, that was struggling, that never gave up. $57,000 per week. These are weekly checks depositing. And I was doing the polar opposite at that time of what everybody else in that company was doing. Okay? And it completely changed my life. There's a book, Think and Grow Rich, and Napoleon Hill says, when riches begin to come, they come so quickly, in such great abundance, that one wonders where they have been hiding all those lean years. And I can tell you this, people say money cannot buy happiness. I can assure you, money does buy happiness if you know where to shop. You know what I'm saying? So my focus shifted from making money to making a difference. And I started to survey people. My list started to grow, and I'm like, what do you guys want to do? Like, what's your main business model? And I surveyed about 2,900 people here on this particular survey. And I said, what is your main business model? And at that time, people said affiliate marketing was the biggest one, right? Network marketing, look at this, 60% affiliate marketing, network marketing 13%, e-commerce is 9%. So 60 plus 13, we got 73% of people said that they wanted to make money as basically selling somebody else's product. Network marketing is a form of affiliate marketing. You know that, right? Network marketing is a form of, you're selling somebody else's product. Guess what? Is real estate, a real estate agent, a form of affiliate marketing? Arguably so, isn't it? Because you're selling somebody else's product, you're connecting a customer with what they want, which is a product they buy, you make a commission. You are the middleman, correct? Is insurance agent a form of an affiliate marketing? Yes. So the model that we're going to get into right now, ladies and gentlemen, can be applicable to all those industries. A lot of people, when they think about affiliate marketing, they think of ClickBank or Amazon Associates or that type of stuff. I want you to think bigger and broader. Most of what people are doing is a form of affiliate marketing. Right? Makes sense, correct? Now, here's my big kind of aha, right? I started to survey people about money. So I said, hey, how much money are you earning per month right now? And I just surveyed my list at that time. Look at this, answers, 11,724 people answered this particular survey, right? And I said, hey, zero, not earning anything, all the way up to 100,000 per month. Watch this, $0 to $100 a month, 82%. I'm like, that's crazy. 71% of people not making any money at all, like zero. $1 to $100, that's 10%. That's 82%. Making less than $100 a month online. How do you live on that? I don't know. $1 to $1,000, 19%. That's crazy. 5,000 to 100,000, okay, 4.49%. I said, look at this. The Pareto's principle, 80-20 rule. You understand that, right? You guys know the Pareto's principle, the 80-20 rule? 80% of people are making nothing. 20% of people are grinding, but they're barely surviving. And then there is 80-20. How true is that based on the numbers? 80-20 in the top 20. So if you take the top 20% here and you do the top 20% of the 20%, hence the 4%, these guys are movers and shakers in every company, in every industry. You take a company and you will typically find, if there's a company with 100 people in sales, typically 4 of those people will produce over 50 or 60% of all the sales within a company. 96% of them will pick up the rest. It's crazy concept. I'm not going to get it deep into this. So what I did is I formed a company called the 4%. And I said, you know what we're going to do? We're going to help people rise above the common level, rise above the 80% and even the 20%. We're going to go for the 20% of the 20%. And there is actually a reason why we call it the 4%, right? And guess what? Even in 4%, there is a 4% inside the 4%. It's fractal. Make sense? And so we want to help them build their dream business online, generate consistent income, and enable them to live life on their terms. I started to teach people, a group started to come together, people started to see results. Here is Aqua, I made 7,000 in 7 days. I actually initially plugged them into my own affiliate system that I created for other companies. It was pretty primitive at that time, but still people started to make money like immediately, 7K in 7 days. They relied on my system that they did not control. Today is different. Here is Agnes. She was on a webinar similar to this one here, made $9,000 in sales, and that was during the webinar. All right, we promoted another company. Here is Katya right here. She says, Vic, amazing vision and training on a particular company, brilliant affiliate program. I made $4,800 within days with no list and advertising. The secret? All these people plugged into, at that time, my replicated affiliate system. What we're doing today is light years better than what we had before. So we started to hang out with community started to come together. All of these are 4%ers here. I love this kind of stuff. I want to see our people win. It's fun. We take, jet skis and boats. Here's us on a, $10 million yacht that we chartered. Having fun, celebrating people's successes. Today we have, and this is actually outdated, I gotta update this, over 300,000 members from over 130 different countries in 4%. You might have seen we have over 16,000 and counting reviews on our products from 4%. This is cool. My question to you is this: are you ready for a change?